pyramids. So a pyramid is where we have a polygon at the base and then triangles from the base up meeting to a point at the top. So something like that, and the point at the top is called the apex. The volume of a pyramid is actually equal to 1/3 times the base area times the height of the pyramid, where the height of the pyramid comes from the center of the base to the apex. The surface area of a pyramid is the base area plus the area of the triangles. So let's see if we can do an example knowing this. Let's have a square-based pyramid. All coming up to our apex. With square base, so all those side lengths are the same, and 4 meters. And we also know this slanted height from the middle of the triangle is 6 meters. So we don't know the height, but it's something we can find with the slanted height. So looking at this triangle here, where 6, the height, and this distance here, we know this distance here is 2 meters, and we know this is a right angle, so we can use Pythagoras to work out the height. So our height squared is our hypotenuse squared, which is 6, minus the shorter side squared, which is 2. So we get h squared equals 36 minus 4. H squared will be 32. We can square root both sides. So h equals root 32. You can leave it in exact form. So it'll be root 32 meters. And we can use this now to find the volume and the surface area. So the volume we know is 1/3 times the base area times the height. So we get 1/3. Well, the base area is a square, so that's just going to be 4 squared times the height of the pyramid, which we now know is root 32. So we get 1/3 times 16 times root 32. So that's just going to be 16 root 32 over 3. And we can simplify our surd or plug it into the calculator, and we get 30.2 meters cubed, because it's a volume, correct to 1 decimal place. Let's find the surface area. So the surface area is going to be the area of the base plus the area of the triangles. So the area of the base is just a square, so we get 4 squared, plus the area of the triangles. Well, we know the base of the triangles is 4, and the perpendicular height is 6, and all 4 triangles are the same around the pyramid. So we're going to get 1/2 times the base, which is 4 of the triangles, times the height, and let's multiply it all by 4 because we have 4 triangles. So we're going to get 16 plus, well, we can do 4 times 6 is 24, times that by 1/2 is going to give us 12. Still got to multiply it by 4. So we get 16 plus 12 times 4 is 48. And 16 plus 48 is going to give us 64 meters squared, because we're talking about surface area.